you ever wonder where plants like these get their color from?
Well, actually, Dr. Kelso, they get their color from light energy that is trapped and converted to chemical energy through photosynthesis, and that's exactly what we're looking for in the research lab.
Yes, and if you're interested in working at our research lab, you also need to be a double membrane organelle.
Don't forget, you must already belong to a group of plant organelles called plastids.
Also, don't forget, Dr. Nicholson, that you must be small and you must have small disc-shaped compartments called thylakoids.
If you meet all your requirements, please call us at or come to our research lab, which is Dr. Nickelso's supercalifragilisticexpialidocious wonderful extraordinary research lab.
Or you can, don't forget, you can call us at 555 Nickelso.
We'll back to you after these messages.